Break free from the paycheck trap. 5 steps to financial freedom. Have you ever gotten to the end of the month and wondered, where did all my money go? You're scrolling through your bank statements, seeing takeout, clothes you don't even wear, and random subscriptions you forgot about. If you're tired of watching your money vanish before the end of the month, listen up. Living paycheck to paycheck is not just a money problem, it's a system problem. And today, I'm giving you the exact steps to break out of it, for good. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Mastery Money, where we make personal finance easy to understand and actually useful. Alright, let's be real for a second. Most people have absolutely no clue where their money actually goes. They see their bank balance drop but can't pinpoint why. They just swipe their card, spend, and hope for the best. It's a cycle of spending without awareness. But here's the thing, you can't fix what you can't see. Ignorance isn't bliss when it comes to your finances. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. You need the full picture to make sense of it all. So how do we find those missing pieces? How do we get clarity on our spending habits? It's time to track your spending. This is the first step towards financial awareness. Look, I know what you're thinking. Tracking expenses? That sounds about as fun as a root canal. But bear with me. But trust me on this one. It's a game changer. It's not about being perfect. It's about being aware. Awareness is the key to making better financial decisions. For the next 30 days, I want you to write down every single cent you spend. Yes, every single one. And I mean everything. That morning coffee, those new shoes, even that pack of gum. No expense is too small to track. Once you have your list, categorize everything. This will help you see where your money is really going. Rent, groceries, transportation, entertainment, those late-night online shopping sprees, lay it all out there. Be honest with yourself. This is the foundation, people. No skipping this step. It's crucial for understanding your financial health. You need to see the problem before you can solve it. Only then can you start making meaningful changes. Now that you know where your money's going, it's time to give every dollar a job before you even get paid. This means planning ahead and making sure each cent is accounted for, so you're not caught off guard by unexpected expenses. This is called zero-based budgeting, and it's a game changer. It forces you to be intentional with your money, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. Think of it like this. Your income is your team of players, and your expenses are the positions they need to fill. Each player has a specific role, and it's your job to make sure they're in the right position. You wouldn't send your striker to play goalie, would you? Just like in soccer, each dollar should be allocated to the right expense category. The 50/30/20 rule is a great place to start. It's a simple guideline that helps you manage your money effectively. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This way, you ensure that your essential expenses are covered, while still allowing room for enjoyment and future security. Needs are the non-negotiables. Rent, groceries, utilities, transportation. These are the essentials that you can't live without. Wants are the fun stuff. Eating out, entertainment, travel. These are the things that make life enjoyable and rewarding. And savings and debt repayment? Well, that's how you build a secure future. By setting aside money for these, you're investing in your long-term financial health. Now I get it, life isn't always as neat and tidy as a spreadsheet. Unexpected expenses can pop up, and sometimes you need to be flexible. You might need to adjust these percentages based on your unique situation. Maybe your needs take up more than 50%, or perhaps you can save more than 20%. The key is to find a balance that works for you and stick to it. Consistency is crucial in maintaining a healthy budget. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting your freedom. It's about giving you more of it. It's about making sure you have the resources to enjoy life without financial stress. When you're in control of your money, you're in control of your life. A well-planned budget empowers you to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Chapter 3. Build a mini emergency fund. Imagine this. Your car breaks down, you have an unexpected medical bill, or your fridge decides to take an early retirement. These things happen, right? But without an emergency fund, one unexpected expense can send your entire financial plan crashing down. That's why building even a small emergency fund is crucial. I'm talking $1,000, $3,000, whatever you can manage right now. Even a small amount can make a big difference. Think of it as your financial safety net. It's there to catch you when life throws you a curveball, so you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans and dig yourself into a deeper hole. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I can barely afford my rent. How am I supposed to save for an emergency? Here's the thing, it's all about priorities. Can you sell some stuff you don't use anymore? Cut back on eating out for a few weeks? Maybe pick up a side hustle? Trust me, your future self will thank you. Having that financial cushion will give you peace of mind and help you sleep better at night. Knowing you have a buffer can reduce stress and anxiety. Chapter 4. Cut Lifestyle Creep. Here's a sneaky little trap that catches a lot of people. Lifestyle creep. You get a raise, you start making more money, and suddenly you feel like you can afford to treat yourself. You upgrade your apartment, buy a fancy new car, and start eating out every night. But here's the problem. Your expenses have now grown right along with your income, and you're no closer to breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Look, I'm all for enjoying the fruits of your labor, but before you upgrade your lifestyle, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Will this purchase bring me lasting joy, or will the excitement wear off in a few weeks? Remember, just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it right now. By being mindful of your spending and resisting lifestyle creep, you'll be amazed at how much faster you can reach your financial goals. Chapter 5. Increase your income. Okay, let's talk about the other side of the equation, increasing your income. You can only cut back your expenses so much. At some point, you need to start bringing in more money to really accelerate your journey to financial freedom. The good news is, there are more ways than ever to boost your income. Freelancing, tutoring, driving for a ride-sharing service, starting a side hustle, the possibilities are endless. Think about your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Could you turn that into a source of income? Maybe you're a great writer and could offer freelance writing services. Or maybe you're a whiz at math and could tutor students online. The key is to get creative and explore different options. Remember, increasing your income isn't just about making more money, it's about creating more options and opportunities for yourself. If you follow these steps, you won't need to rely on the next paycheck to survive. You'll finally have margin, peace, and power over your money. Like this video if it helped you and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Subscribe to Mastery Money for weekly content on saving, budgeting, and building wealth. Comment no more paycheck stress. If you're ready to take back control,